Oh my gosh. There's a Bigfoot out here. Do you hear that? Right over here. Hold on, let me get my shoes on. What the heck? Hold on. Gotta get the flashlight and a beam. There's something over here. When you hear it, let me try it this way. There we go. What the heck? Bigfoot? Is that you? That moth is all on my face. Hold on. I don't hear it now. Give it the beam. I'm looking for eyes. The sound's coming from right there. My battery on my flashlight's running low. I don't want to get too far away from the door of the van, so in case I got to run back in there. What the heck was that? All right, let's go a little further here. You see eyes? Ooh, the stars are pretty tonight. Look up there. Okay. Bigfoot? Right over there. That's where I hear it. All right, let me cut the light off. Let me get back over here. I think it'd be best if I got back a little closer to the van. Go over here. I don't see anything. This is spooking me out. I mean, I don't know if you got to be able to hear it, but it's this big grunt, like like that. I could clearly hear it inside the van with a YouTube video going. So I stopped the video and I heard it 2 or 3 more times. That scared me. I thought that was eyes. It's not. It's just a little sign for a forest road over there. That shining thing. That's all it is. Just a little signpost. Put the beam out here again. Well, whatever it is, it's right on the side of the bush over there. All right. That's enough of this. I'm getting into the van and locking the doors. All right, good morning. It's the next morning. I got out looking for tracks over here. And I just don't know what it was. If it was a bear or a Bigfoot or maybe a bull. There may be free range cattle around here. But see, there's that little signpost right there. That's what was shining in the flashlight. And the sound was coming from the other side of that big tree and that bush. Right over there. And it was a big, bassy, grunting sound. Yeah, it was something else. But yeah, that was quite a night. So I was making that video around 11 o'clock at night. It's shower day. Got the shower tin up. About 3 o'clock, I'll be getting a nice refreshing shower. And tomorrow, I'm heading to Colorado. Oh, and Ron's going too. Ron's over there. There's his van right there. He heard the grunt too. He got out and he was like, what's going on? Like, it's Bigfoot out here or something. But he did the same thing I did. He said, I'm getting in the van, locking the doors. Yeah, tomorrow, get up early, head to Colorado. Let's walk over and get one final shot of the river. Such a beautiful place. There's a little snow left up on the top of the mountain up there. Just a little bit. Here it is, almost July, and it's still snow up there. So that mountain must be close to 8,000 feet. Yeah, this is a beautiful place. Wyoming. This road has been so busy. We've been getting a lot of dust, but luckily the wind has been blowing toward the river, so it's been saving us from getting just covered in dust. There's another camper right over there. And there's our site. And they've been great neighbors. We've been trying to be great neighbors too. We went up this road looking for other campsites. No luck. Everything was taken. This is a busy place. Very popular. But I'll tell you this about this place. Not one piece of trash here in the beautiful state of Wyoming. Got very respectable campers up here. No trash whatsoever. Not even an aluminum can, bottle top, nothing. And that's hard to believe because as popular as this place is, there's a lot of free camping up here. It's been packed over the weekend, but no trash. Yeah, very great campers up here. They cherish this, you can tell, because they rely on it for their recreation. They're not going to trash it up. So this has been a great time here in Wyoming, western Wyoming. Idaho's just, let's see, where is Idaho? Idaho is that way. So that's north. There's the Starlink dish. It's pointing north again, like it used to. It's going right above those trees and it's working like a charm. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. I'll check in when I get to Colorado. Take care, be well, and smash the bell.